Do not get the 7-in-1 CREAMi Deluxe. Now you can get the CREAMi XL Deluxe for practically the same price. The Ninja XL will turn almost anything into ice cream, frozen yogurt, and frozen treats. Ice cream, light ice cream, sorbet, gelato, frozen yogurt, cappuccino, frozen drink, slushy, milkshake, and Italian ice. If you're like me and you have no idea where to even begin, Ninja will send you 30 delicious recipes you can do yourself. So if you're buying ice cream and the ingredients on that tub are words you can't even pronounce, just make your own. And it even comes with this giant ice cream tub. These alone are about $30 in stores. Another cool thing about the XL is you can creamify the top, the bottom, or the entire tub. CREAMi XLs are going absolutely viral right now. If you see the shopping cart below, claim all your coupons and get one for your friend.